What is up, my fellow Degans and guests of the channel? Crypto Malado is back on your screens. Today, I am going to show you a truly working, absolute banger of a method to make $100 a day on crypto. And the best part, almost zero risks. Forget about stressing over red candles, forget about getting liquidated on futures, and forget about staring at charts until your eyes bleed. Standard trading is for the hamsters today. We are going to be the casino. There's a revolutionary platform called Catapult. The link to it, as always, is pinned in the comments, in the description, and over in my Telegram channel. Important point right off the bat. To earn using my specific scheme and loot all the juicy bonuses, you must register strictly through my referral link. If you skip it, you're just leaving free money on the table. And some of the best features simply won't be available to you. So, what the hell is Catapult? Imagine a site where literally anyone can create their own meme coin in a couple of clicks. No coding, no smart contract hassle, no liquidity pools to set up, just pure creation. Other people Degans, gamblers, absolute maniacs see your token in the feed and start buying and selling it. The main feature, the charts here aren't built from real, heavy order books, but on the random walk principle. It's an algorithm, but essentially, we do not care at all which way our token's chart goes up to the moon or down to the abyss. Because we are the creators, we will earn a 0.5% fee from absolutely every single transaction. From every bit of volume spun on our coin. Someone bought for $1,000. Nice, $5 drops directly to us. Someone panic sold a minute later. We get paid again. Our goal is simply to be the ultimate meme coin factory. Let's go. I'll show you exactly how to print this cash in real time. First, we need a wallet. I personally use Phantom. It's the absolute classic and the best extension for the Solana network. If you don't have it, just download the extension, save your seed phrase somewhere safe, and you're good. We connect it to the platform. Logging in here is super simple. You can use Google or instantly link your Phantom wallet with one click. Next, we need fuel. We need a deposit. To create tokens, you don't need whale money. 10, 20, or $30 is more than enough to get this factory running. We go to the wallet tab, then hit deposit. I always choose the Solana network. Why? Because the fees are absolute pennies, and transactions fly instantly. Nobody has time to wait for slow networks. Copy your unique deposit address, go to your exchange or wallet, transfer your SOL tokens. Wait literally a minute and boom, the balance is updated. The cash is credited, and we are locked and loaded. If you look around the site, you can scroll through the Discover tab. You'll see which tokens are currently on top, who's making the biggest volume, who's trending. But let me stop you right there. I absolutely do not recommend jumping into other people's coins. People love that gaming and absurd meme aesthetic. Next, we enter the ticker and the name. You can name the token whatever you want. Call it Planet Burger. Call it Norwager. The main thing here is to grab the crowd's attention so they see it in the feed and think, yeah, I need to trade this right now. Now for the most important part, the settings. Listen carefully. We select public tier. This is crucial because it means our fee will be 0.5% of the total trading volume. If you mess this up and choose private, you won't get your cut from the crowd. Next, we choose mode. This dictates the lifespan and volatility of our token. I highly recommend using the flash mode for 15 minutes. Why? Because it's the optimal time to gather a massive, concentrated burst of trading volume. People see that the timer is ticking down, the FOMO kicks in, and they start making trades actively before the token expires. It creates massive hype. In the starting price field, you have options. You can set it to $1 or $10. I always set the minimum. It's simple psychology. It's much easier for a random player to jump in at a low price point at the very start. And that is literally it. We hit the launch button and confirm the transaction in our Phantom wallet. This token creation will cost you mere pennies in Solana network fees. Boom, the token is live. As soon as the token is created, it instantly appears in the main public feed. And trust me, bots and real players immediately swarm into it like flies to honey. You'll see the first candles start forming on the chart. And this, my friends, is where the real magic begins. But remember our rule. We don't sit around, biting our nails, praying to this chart to go up. We don't care. We go straight to the Creator Fees tab. Look at this screen right here. The token has barely been trading for a minute, and cents are already dripping in. Look at the transaction feed. Here someone bought, here someone dumped their bag. Volumes are spinning back and forth. And these sweet 0.5% cuts are steadily dropping into our balance under and claimed fees. While the token lives its 15-minute lifespan, it is constantly, passively generating profit for you. Think about it. You can launch a token, spend exactly 1 minute of your actual time on it, and go drink tea, grab a snack, or play a quick match. As you can see, the scheme is completely elementary. It works like a Swiss watch. The main thing is to stop being lazy. Dedicate an hour or two, so do not miss the moment while this topic is smoking hot and paying out big. All the useful links are down in the description. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Join my Telegram where I drop even more private info, raffles, and VIP crypto schemes. This was Crypto Maladoy. Fat profits to everyone. Keep grinding, and see you next time.